Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? All the teachers, the great teachers. Okay, before we open program today, please we can pray together. We hope that our program today is useful until the end for our life. Let's start to pray, please. Okay, thank you very much. In this nice case, I want to explain you, I want to learn more from you, aside the last week. Okay, before we start now, I want to detect or I want to know how about the students in the times for today. Okay, the name, nobody else said, okay, thank you. Then all of our students is a chance for this nice class. Is that right? Okay, for today, I would like to explain about our material in the telling and interviewing of our experience. But out of it, we can start for next. So therefore, I want to explain or I want to introduce because there is a common project or the common expression with Pika is not loser. We know about each other. Okay, I want to love each other, especially. So that's why our teachers, the big teacher in this class, I want to know you. My name is Nur Farida, you can call me Farida, just Farida. It's not the put others' name. It's like Farida, it's like Malamber. No, don't say that. Okay, I live in Jember. And then my graduation is from 2007 or bachelor degree and 2000 15, I'm from finish from my third master. Okay, now I just teach or I want to lecture in University Muhammad Surji Jember. Di nomor satu ini kira-kira apa yang dilakukan? Apa yang dilakukan oleh siswa? Ayo, okay, good. Well, this raise your hand please. If you want to answer, raise your hand please. It's like this. Jadi bapak ayo siapa yang ingin jawab? One of the few students give they confident, give her they what is that? Make the comfort, make the happy or the brave. It's very important to know language. We want to teach language. We just know for the student in more confident to say something. Don't think for things that is wrong, that is missing. No, just skip. Ya, jadi Bapak Ibu guru nanti untuk di kelas nih, kita harus hadapkan misalnya siswa itu lebih nyaman kepada kita. Dengan cara apa? Kita menggunakan guessing, kita menggunakan kata-kata yang bisa ini, kata-kata untuk membuat si siswa itu antusias untuk mengetahui itu gambarnya apa ya, itu apa yang dikerjakan, seperti itu ya Bapak Ibu guru. Jadi smooth emotions, smooth reflecting for this picture. Nanti kalau ketika ada salah satu dari siswa menjawab, okay, our viewers, our students in this class, one of you that is can guessing for this word, I want to give you reward. Okay, it is. Jadi Bapak Ibu bisa menggunakan reward itu bukan itu tidak harus semuanya itu pasti pakai. Oke, please barang, tidak semuanya menggunakan barang Bapak Ibu. Kita menggunakan kata, oh that's great, oh that's good student, smart student, is good. Oke, oke. Biasanya kalau anak-anak di elementary kan mengharapkan mungkin kalau kita dikasih barang sana, terus memang you can bring candies. Jadi kita beri atau kita menggunakan beberapa permen seperti itu. Bagus sekali, berikan kepada mereka. Jadi antusias mereka untuk senang dengan belajar. Kita di sini belajar bahasa itu harus diawali dengan kata happy, happy and happy. Okay. For the the self-employment expression, and then this is the objective. This objective is the main point we want to serve in our student, to our student. In this case, the very first I want to explain about the activities that happened in the past. There is the paragraph or kind of paragraph is recontext. Okay, recontext. Recontext, the main point of the recontext is that tell us about that something is our experience or other person's experience or our friend's experience, but if funny, happy or sad is never mind. Okay, but the language feature for the simple no simple past for the use of the simple past, yes, it's used for verb to. Verb to. A slang for the before this slang kind of features. They terms of the feature that has about someone who says something or speaking. Okay, good student. They speak. How to talk something? Maybe you can start before this. So no, before it. Stupid. Bonus dan bonus. And then sebelum kita mengawali dalam recon text atau main point of the paragraph recon, maybe we can say some things about kalimat pemantik, kata-kata pemantik. Kalimat pemantik dalam artian biar ada feedback antara si teacher dengan students. Give me some question, just like this, maybe. Before I want to tell you about the something that happened in the past time, so that I just want to know our students that they happened in the past or last week. Okay, when did you select these questions seperti ini Bapak Ibu pertanyaannya? Karena di sini yang kita bahas adalah this is about the main point. Jadi karena adik-adik tadi, karena siswa-siswa sudah kita berikan pertanyaan dan lain sebagainya, ya. Kemudian kita akan membahas the main point. Jadi apa poin dari pembahasan kita di sini? Karena ada di sini di unit 3, di sini kita akan menjelaskan tentang paragraph recon. Jadi paragraph recon di sini adalah as that I told you before, the something that happened in the past. You should verb to recontext language feature absolutely simple past. Simple past kita nggak mungkin kita menjelaskan simple past itu di adik-adik tingkatan 4 or elementary school ya. Jadi kita bisa menjelaskan itu di kelas 5, it could be or 6. Yes, it's right. Nah, bagaimana nih kalau kita mau menjelaskan simple past? We want to explain about the simple past. But the point of the verb of 1, 2, 3 is very difficult for kids for terms. We can get for like this. Okay, cheers. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Jadi Bapak Ibu guru bisa memberikan segala kegiatan yang biasanya mereka. For these phrases that I want to give you for example about the text, text is that is my holiday at the beach. Ini adalah salah satu contoh cerita di dalam recon. Saya yakin that I believe that all students have that recon text, but they don't know what to say is recon or descriptive or narrative. Okay, there's a lot of the fact is different. Okay, next. This is for the kinds of text in paragraph recon. Then in these choices, I want to one of you give for the quiz. You can make or you can write recon paragraph. How in dalam unit telling or recon experience di sini Bapak Ibu guru nanti akan dikenalkan ada this will include 4 skill in our English. 4 skill kemampuan dalam bahasa Inggris itu menyangkut 4 Bapak Ibu guru. Apa saja itu ahli? Good speaking. Is that next? Reading good. And next, pardon me? Listening. Okay, good. Good answer. How about the last? How about the last? Okay, good. Speaking. And then in these sections, I will tell you about the listening and speaking. How about the Maybe you can give voice that. Give the patient's input because of this for the listening. Listening and speaking, you use just the voice like this. I give you some kinds of the listening or speaking. For example, you can include for the voice. Okay, I want to type, I want to write for this including motivation. Just like this. Next time, ulang lagi, memorize, repeat once more and more, and then you can practice it in your class or your home and other songs. Because you can play with students, you can use English more and more. Okay, and the reading yourself, you can become more. I know that this belongs to you. Want you want to read all the text, please? Honor, please. Let's not hand, please. Exactly. Siapa ayo yang mau maju ke depan untuk membacakan? Ayo adik-adik. Seperti itu. Jadi kita mengajarkan si adik-adik di sini itu untuk lebih aktif dan mereka lebih berani. Seperti itu, guys. Ini untuk text reading. Jadi nanti ada teks itu sendiri, ada picture, bisa menggunakan this is the marks, ya. Bisa mencetak salah satunya di sini. Next point about this. Next point is writing. Writing. How about the writing? Writing itself it is, for example, the one student write their experience. Ya, atau Bapak Ibu guru bisa memberikan pemantik dalam bentuk picture. Bentuk picture seperti ini yang akan dituangkan dalam bentuk tulisan oleh siswa. Seperti ini contohnya nih. Jadi setelah ada tulisan itu dideskripsikan. They describe and then this story that they happen when they go to the zoo, and then they write the experience. The one paragraph is called from the introduce. Okay, introduce the paragraph. It's can call, what is that? Ayo, call, what is that? Apa tadi? Yang pertama tadi sebelum kita ke event, introduce the paragraph and then the event. It's like this. It's activities and this is the solutions. That's good. And next. But the next, okay, but last the last thing but the first our students get reflections. I want to give you one of your reflections. We can send it by the report, and then one of you that is answer the reflection. What do you want to get when we during this our class today? Okay, good. Next, this is one example about. Okay, thank you for your answer, for your what is that? Your answer this reflection. Okay, Mr. Okay, good, Mr. Andy. Yesterday I was it's good. Oh, kemarin jalan-jalan and then review the example of the answer by the kind of the verb in simple past, and then okay, good. This is you can make sentence in the past. Good. I think that's all our activities today. Bapak Ibu guru jangan lupa ya, jangan melupakan bahwasanya belajar bahasa itu sebenarnya tidaklah sulit. Language is easy. Bahasa itu sangat mudah ketika kita practice and practice. So this way, I just note for you. Just learn more language just to practice and make confidence, make gift for your life. Okay, will we close our project today? We reciting hamdalah together, and thank you very much for your education and your attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.